Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I've got something with respect to gardening, and this is a sprayer for spraying water or pesticides for your plants. So I bought this on Amazon for about 250 rupees. This is rated 1.5 liters, and you also get other capacity, for example 3 liter and 5 liter capacities. So with this I just got this spare washer. So let's talk about this build quality. It seems to be very hard plastic here. I don't see any kind of issue with the quality as such. I've only used it for once and it worked fine. So on the top of it you just see the branding and the capacity rated. There are some instructions for operation which is printed right on the body of this bottle here. Just list some of the parts and you just have the company address and information. And apart from that you get this handle to just hold and spray, and also this pumping rod to just put in some air pressure inside this for spraying. And you also get this nozzle here which is adjustable, so you can adjust the stream to get a wider spray, or you want a kind of a jet kind of a spray, you can adjust that using this small nozzle here which is rotatable. And apart from that you get this trigger for spraying, and also there is a trigger lock here just in case if I want to keep it spraying for quite some time, then I can just engage this trigger lock which will engage that spraying of water for a longer period of time. So let me open and show you how it looks inside. So inside we have this pressure pumping canal here, and also this is the inlet hose with a small filter at the bottom here to filter out any kind of floating particles in the water. And apart from that I don't see any fancy thing inside, it's pretty straightforward. So having said that, let's see a quick demo of this unit. Okay guys, so I have this 1 liter bottle here. So I've pumped in around 30 times. So I'll engage this lock here, and you can see that it's still spraying. So now I'll just try to adjust the nozzle to get a jet kind of a spray. So you can see that it's almost shooting 5 to 6 feet. So once this is fully pumped, the spray will last for about 6 to 7 minutes. But in the course of time the pressure reduces and the water will start dripping from this nozzle here, right from this area. So you will see some droplets falling after some time, and the consumption is roughly about 100 ml per minute. You can also see that the water droplets become much bigger as and when the pressure reduces. So okay guys, that's all I had to say about this sprayer. I hope you liked it. So please do give it a like and thumbs up in case you liked it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.